Crash Box presents Wet Shake!
Hello, bonjour, I'm very excited today! We're going to be mixing up some word shakes. Can you guess what I'm making? It's a little tricky because I have a strong French accent. So listen carefully. Okay, what you get when you put together the on button and the yawn from your mouth? On button and a yawn from your mouth. We put them in the pot, we mix them around, and look hard. Can't get it? I give you a little clue. When you chop it up, it make you cry. But this answer should make you laugh. It is onion! Onion! You see it? Onion! Kind of make your breath smell too. Anyway, I think we should do another one, don't you? I got one for you now. Look at this. What happens when you take the air that you breathe and put it with the roar of a lion? The air that you breathe with the roar of a lion. We put them in the pot and we throw them in the air. Now you have to concentrate. We have air and we have roar. Air and roar. It's what happens when you make a mistake like I often do in the kitchen. Error! Do you see it? Error! Oh, I'm so funny. Error! You make no mistake about that one. Now let's get cooking with the next clue. We got some soup and we got some rice. They are both ingredients for a good dish, but when you put them together in the pot and mix them together carefully, you get something else. Look carefully. I think you can work this one out. Think about it because I wasn't expecting that one. And I bet you weren't expecting this answer. Surprise! Surprise! What a shocker! I know that you love surprises, and if you do, I have one more clue for you. This one is so super duper finale. Okay, so what you get when you put together a panda bear, the word for when you go ooh, and when something is really yummy. I say again, a panda bear, when you go ooh like a moon, and when something is really yum, yum, yummy. Oh boys, this is a tough one. A panda, when you moan, and when something is really yummy. I give you a hint. It's when things get crazy. You know, an uproar. Do you know? Pandemonium! 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 Oh, everything is out of control! Like me! Oh dear, what a word! What a word! I finished! I can't speak! Merci beaucoup! Au revoir!